Are you winging this better take?
Well, it's quite simple. It's one sentence. How possibly far wrong can it go? What's it start off with the first sentence?
Oh god. There's a lot of pollens.
Just went dong, just went dong, just went dong. If you're buying a new battery up to potentially 4 times a year, that's not right. Hello.
Hi. I got distracted by the dog.
Yeah, I know. I saw the camera drift that way. If you start noticing any weird terrain response errors or anything weird that could do with
You look like an old person trying to read a really small writing.
They're happy as Larry if you've got a brand new sparkling battery on them and then throwing their toys out the pram. Really?
I had a mega sneezy fit yesterday. I sneezed about 10 times in a row.
If you ever have any strange warnings come up on the dash that could be related to an electrical issue, that's easy for me to say. Point your there.
Is this a good angle or not to?
I was gonna say. It's...
Oh, I just smacked myself.
By the way, you know in some of the videos it's been screens. I'm just going to overlay you bumping your head all the time now.
I was gonna say.
Number 2.
No, that was correct. It is number 2. Well done.
Number 2, isn't it?
Well done. You got that bit right.
I look like I've got little crab fingers. Just started thinking about dinner.
You have a thing about dinner.
I do.
As long as it's something cold.
I want a vegetable curry. That's the worst
Of
thing.
course you do. Something really
Not today. I haven't got time to make it today.
If you didn't laugh, I was going to go for it then.
Sorry. Don't laugh then.
Number 3. Be careful out easy.
That's why my hand just defaults to be wonky.
Number 3. Did you get the keys out of the ignition?
Yeah, they're in the pocket.
Sorry, just making sure.
I've got a bulge. Number 4. So you want to know if your car has a DPF or diesel particulate filter. Particulate?
Easy for you to say.
Excuse you.
I'll be okay now first. I'll be number 3.
It's funny seeing that flutter.
I'll go for the squat, it's less painful.
You're going to last all of about 2 seconds like that. Number 5.
Well done, you got the number.
Go me. Number 5. Generally, I can't say generally. Number 5. Generally, with cars, people keep an eye on the front brake pads and they generally use the theory, Jesus.
Theory.
Number...
Sorry.
I could see that happen. Go out to your Freelander 2, maybe take a wheel off or stick your head through the spokes and have a look at them rear brake pads.
You're going to have a very small head to get your head through that spoke. Stick your head through the spoke on it. Here we go.
Go in. Can't fart.